It's called the lower trapezius exercise. Primarily it's for people with scapular dyskinesis, that scapular winging, rolled shoulders that are causing your shoulder pain. You start out making basically a Y with your arms, pointing your thumbs towards the ceiling. When you get to the top of the exercise, you want to really make sure that you squeeze the lower part of your scapula together to really pin that scapula back to your back. I like to hold each one of those squeezes about 3 to 5 seconds and repeat that 10 times with about 3 sets. Second version of this is you're going to bring your arms behind you, thumbs towards the ground. Again, bringing those arms up, really squeezing those shoulder blades at the base, pinning the scapula back to your back to really work that lower trapezius. It's a different angle. Just want to make sure that when you are on the ball that you really have a nice straight flat back, a good neutral chin. You don't want your head in flexion or extension. Again, when you bring those thumbs up towards the ceiling, really trying to extend that back and pin those scapulas back towards the back. Same thing with the second version. Make sure that you have the thumbs towards the ground. You're almost making like a V now. Really squeeze the lower part of the shoulder blades, extending that back, holding that squeeze 3 to 5 seconds, 10 reps, and do that 3 separate sets. This next version is for a more advanced level, those of us that have a little more strength. You don't really need a whole lot of weight. This is only 2 pounds. Honestly, I don't like to use any more than 2 pounds. I feel like if we use more than that, we start to compensate in other areas. So I'd highly suggest just choose 1 to 2 pounds. Make sure you're getting that good squeeze when you're getting to the peak, when you're really trying to extend those arms towards the back, squeezing those shoulder blades together. If you can't do that, then it's too much weight. Another version of the lower trapezius exercise is on an incline bench. Again, you're going to make a V. Make sure that the thumbs are going towards the ceiling. Squeezing those shoulder blades at the very base, at the bottom of the scapula, pinning them back to your thoracic spine. You're actually going to bring the palms, pinky towards the ceiling. Squeezing those shoulder blades, holding 3 to 5 seconds, 10 reps, 3 sets. Just make sure that you take your time, don't rush. This is one of those exercises, speed is not the key, but really making sure you're focusing on the muscles that you're working on. And that is a lower trapezius exercise.